Have you ever wondered what would happen if three people were given the same car and told to break it in their own unique way? Hey, I'm your host Nagi, and we'll be answering that question and more in today's episode of
Gamedev YouTubers Boss Battle!
Or as I like to call it, GIB, as in give me a subscription. The idea was simple-ish. Each of us would be given a bare-bones godot project with a player controller and a demo scene to be used as reference. The player controller would have a basic moveset including crouching, dashing, a melee attack, and a ranged attack. We would have roughly 2 weeks to create a complete boss battle without making any changes to the player code, or any of the original code for that matter. At the end, we would play each other's bosses and rate them based on gameplay, graphics, sound, and fun. On the technical side of things, we would all be using Godot 4.0 RC2 since that was the latest version at the start of the challenge. Then, each of us would push our code to the GitHub repo and I would merge all of code bases into one using some git magic. So, let's see how each of us made our bosses.
So, when Nagi first told me about the challenge, I planned on actually spending a decent amount of time on it. Unfortunately, life, or specifically exams, the Endless Engines 3D challenge, and just generally other things, got in the way. So I ended up working on the project for, well, enough time to make something, but nothing special. This unfortunately meant I had to embrace the unpolished nature of my boss and downloaded a goofy ass sound pack to finish the job. Honestly, there isn't a whole lot to say about it. Not much thought was put into the game design, sound, fun, or art, but at least I had fun making it and even more fun judging Nagi and Nekoto's bosses. So thank you for letting me join the challenge, Nagi. 10 out of 10, you are an excellent challenge host.
Let's go.
First one is Leon. We're gonna do that. What is that sound?
Oh my god, it's embarrassing.
Wait, what? Oh shit. Do I shoot at it? I
I forgot shooting exists.
love the sound effects.
Oh wait, I don't know if I forgot about the shooting mechanics. You might have broken it.
Oh damn, the sound effects are just so loud. I might have said it. I died. Wait, I can dash. That would probably avoid it. No, it didn't avoid it.
Yeah.
Oh god. Oh right, we can dash. Are we done?
Almost there. Come on. Yeah.
It's that simple.
Yeah. Speed run.
Yeah. Yes.
Let's go.
Yes.
It was fun. I like the sound effects.
Yeah. Yeah, that was my one redeeming quality.
That was
the
fun.
sound effects.
Nagi invites us to the GitHub repository. I opened it in Godot, and I see this garlic onion shaped player thing. So I made this giant onion, mostly because it's a simple shape to draw and I could just cheese the animations by doing squash and stretch with the animation player. I also gave it a couple of different expressions for idling, angry, and stunned. Now normally, you cut onion, but in this game, Uno reverse, onion cut you. So I gave it a kitchen knife and a serial killer AI so that it tries to stab you. At around the same time, I was playing some Pokemon Fire Red and I saw Bulbasaur's Razor Leaf attack, which I borrowed into this game. Lastly, I added in a bunch of trees and rocks around the map and made it so that the boss gets stunned whenever it crashes into them so that you have a chance to attack it. Add in some music, sound effects, a boss intro scene, and that's a boss battle, baby.
Awesome. Oh wait, I'm thinking. Whoa.
I am a man of tears.
Whoa. Whoa! Whoa! What? What's that?
Yo! Holy shit.
Yeah.
Oh my
So,
god. I love the grass, man. Just gonna...
It's terrible design, like game design, but the art design is cool.
Oh, so you got to get him to crash into stuff.
Yeah, basically. Because he's
Okay.
like lance shot, so he keeps lancing at you.
Okay, my computer's lagging. What? Oh, come on. I was so close.
Yeah. How about, yeah, good idea. You crash into that rock.
Okay, I have to avoid that. And I will. Awesome. So I can use rocks to basically knock him out. Garlic fighting an onion.
Yeah, lance at me. That's what I thought. Ha ha ha. I love the grass. You
Yeah,
know
he's
me and
like-
grass.
Okay, so I just don't have to get near him. I can just stay away. I survived that.
You just knocked down that tree. Pretty heavy guy. No!
He's a big
Ah!
Yeah, that knife is really, really, really powerful.
Yeah, it's a really sharp knife. Yeah, ha ha
Even though it's
ha.
drawn really blunt.
I don't like it. I don't like the knife attack.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Ha ha ha.
And boom.
Way!
He explodes. I don't know why he explodes, but he explodes.
He's an explosive onion.
I mean the onion has
And
a
there's a
knife.
tree in the way now. Hello.
Anything's possible.
He's just on fire.
Yeah, he's dead. He's dead.
Yeah, it's such a nice looking game.
Yay.
Nice!
Nice. That was nice.
As Nekoto and Leon might have already mentioned, the player character looks somewhat like garlic. So, naturally, I planned on making an ocean-themed boss. I started with drawing the sprites for the clam and hooking up an animation tree. This made managing the states of the boss extremely easy. Then, I made the boss perform an attack animation based on a timer. The clam would stretch out its tentacles, which the player would have to avoid. Then, I added a projectile attack, which made the clam shoot pearls. These could also be avoided by dashing, but it got boring pretty soon. So, I added the Zelda-esque feature of deflecting the pearl back to the clam by using the melee attack, dealing a ton of damage to the boss. Finally, to add the crazy element to the boss fight, I added a Souls-like boss introduction and an orchestral background music that I made on my phone. I finished the boss fight by adding some sound effects that I recorded at my parents' home. Suffice to say, they had concerns about my mental health. Oh, and to spice things up, I even added sharks, cause why not? Anyway, I know I didn't give it my 100%, and I would blame it on my lack of practice thanks to my king laptop breaking yet again because me.
What
Just
the?
don't spoil it.
Whoa. Can I step in that? Okay. What the fuck?
Yeah, okay, here we go. Oh, I'm so excited. Holy shit. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Yo. Damn. I. Yo, my guy did not make this easy. What? Bro. Okay. Wait. Damn, that caught me off guard. Wow, this guy's damage is off the charts.
I'm already gone, nearly.
You are.
Okay. I'm remembering now how I'm bad at games.
Dude, you're supposed to be a game developer.
Oh! Yeah. That doesn't mean I'm good at them. Oh, okay, wait. We'll try that again. Wait, you can bounce them away.
Does shooting these things do anything? No, I think it just breaks them. Oh, I just figured it out. Oh, I'm stupid. I was like, wait, there's no way I'm only supposed to use one attack.
Oh, that's the secret. That does more damage. Holy shit. No way. I got this now.
Okay, that makes a lot more sense. Okay, wow, that 3 brain cell moment. Oh, okay. Okay, he has multiple phases. Damn, Nagi really thought out his boss battle, unlike me. Whoa, they phased through him?
It's so cool. And the animations as well. Oh, I'm low on health now.
Oh, nice, there's health pickups. I didn't even use the health pickups in mine, I just realized. I completely forgot about them.
I can beat it. I'm feeling confident in myself.
Awesome.
Oh, okay. Ah!
I forgot to set it to loop.
Whoa, shark? Why the sharks? Why the... Leave me alone! Give me that, please!
Oh, the sharks at the same time? My god. Oh, right. Oh no, I got so far. Oh, god damn it.
Oh, there's sound effects, I didn't even realize. Oh, no, don't do this. Mate. That's foul. That is foul. That is foul. That's foul. Oh my god. I hate you guys. I hate the sharks. I hate they're officially the worst part of this battle. You good? Oh, okay, there you are. Oh no. Oh, no. Please don't kill me. Go away, go away, go away. Give me the health pickup. I need that really bad. Oh, fuck you. Fuck you. I'm not dealing with you today. I ain't dealing with this shit today. Not today. No. Give me the health pickup. Give me the health pickup or I'm gonna die.
Yes!
Oh, awesome.
Yes!
Wait, how did it? What? We just killed him.
Oh, maybe it's because I carried on shooting. But yes,
that was a bug.
him. I got him.
Awesome. You got it. Finally.
Yeah.
Today's my gamer day.
It could be.
Oh my god.
Today's
This
my
is gonna
gamer
be-
day. Let's go.
No way.
Yo. Do I just
Let's
walk back to the main
go.
scene?
Awesome.
Oh my god, my blood pressure.
I was initially worried this challenge might be too complex to pull off, but I think we managed to create something playable and enjoyed while doing so. It was certainly a great learning experience for me since I had never coded a boss before, and I would love to host this challenge again in the future, probably with even more devs. If you want to try out the game, you can find the link to the itch.io page in the description. You can also find the link to Nekoto and Leon's channel down below. I highly recommend subscribing to them for some quality videos on Gamedev. As for my channel, now that I've got my computer fixed and my schedule free, I'll be resuming my usual schedule and post a bunch of tutorials and even my first devlog. So stay tuned for more godot content. I have been your host Nagi, and I will see you again soon. Until next time, remember the secret to the perfect boss fight is peace.